Joe Beermaster here. I'm in a 2007 Toyota Camry. I'm going to show you how to remove this panel here, the armrest. We're going to take it off. We're going to replace the vinyl on this. You can also replace the cover. I'm going to show you how to get the lid off, and you can watch my other video on how to replace the vinyl there, or leather, whatever it is. So if you look here, there's a seam. So we're going to get a thin screwdriver to get that panel off. I'm working from the bottom here because it looks like the gap's the biggest. All right, so with a little pressure, it comes off. There's a couple pins that hold it on. And now we're going to look on the inside here, see where the screws are. There are 4 Phillips screws right there. And we're going to take them off. I'm going to get my drill driver and we're going to take them off. Don't lose them. All right. There we go. That's how you get it off. And we're going to take this out and we're going to replace the cover. You can check in my next video how to replace the cover.